So if you have a problem with roaches, but you don't want to use pesticides anymore, maybe you have pets or children, and so you're worried about the residue on the where you're spraying and you don't want to get it on them, this is a great alternative. So Gone Naturally, this is completely plant-based. It has essential oils. Right down here, it's going to list everything that it has. But basically what it's saying is we've got peppermint, spearmint, and clove. This is something you can use indoors or outdoors. Maybe you're spraying around the outside of the house. Especially I have weep holes. Every house has weep holes that have bricks. And so I get a lot of bugs in there, and I want something that I can actually spray in there. Of course, it comes in this nice bottle here. It's all by Gone Naturally. So it's got a little grip right here. It's easy to use. Just put it around your hand like that. And we've got, when you go ahead and spray this. Now the nozzle here, it's either on or off. So it's just real simple to use. I'm just going to spray it around my baseboards, around the base of my house, the entrance to my house, in the kids' room. I mean, you name it. And I really like the smell of it too. It's got a nice aroma with all the peppermint and spearmint. So it smells really good versus the pesticides that I've used in the past, because sometimes those do not smell good at all. Super easy to use, and I hope you found this review helpful.